Okay, we were doing the chapter radioactivity. Uh, and last class I told you there are three types of radiations coming out from a radioactive substance. There are alpha, beta, and gamma. And I gave you a little idea alpha. What type of particle alpha is? Alpha is a particle actually. Is a radiation consisting of particles. What particle does it contain? It has a mass. It has a charge. So it is a particle. What is alpha particle? Last time I told you alpha particle is having two positive charge, doubly ionized helium atom, and its mass is equal to mass of the helium nucleus, mass value. Charge value is charge will be equal to charge of 2 electron plus 2e. We write that 2e. 2 of the twice the charge of 1 electron. Okay, and alpha is the heaviest of them. Then I told you beta. What was beta? Beta was fast moving electron. Like this electron we write like this, -1 on top 0. Charge of beta particle is negative and mass is equal to mass of 1 electron. It is much lighter than an alpha particle. And gamma is an electromagnetic wave. It does have no charge and it does have no mass. No mass, no charge. This is gamma. This is electromagnetic wave or electromagnetic spectrum also you can say electromagnetic wave. Which one of them can travel through the vacuum? The answer is gamma. Alpha and beta cannot travel through vacuum because they are particles. Which of them will be deflected by electric and magnetic field? Answer is alpha and beta, not the gamma. Gamma is electromagnetic, will be undeflected by electric and magnetic field. Which one of them is a form of wave? The answer is gamma. Which of them travel the fastest? Answer is gamma. It has the maximum amount of energy. Which travel the slowest of them? The answer is alpha because alpha is the heavier one. Alpha is heavier. Alpha travel the slowest. The speed of alpha is speed of value is 10 to the power of 7 meters per second. Speed of beta is 90% of the speed of light. Speed is equal to 90% of speed of light. Speed of light, that means the value is 2.7 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. And gamma speed is equal to the speed of light. This travels with the speed equal to speed of light, being electromagnetic in nature. Which contains the most amount of energy? The answer is gamma. It has highest frequency, so highest amount of energy. Which contains the lowest amount of energy of the three? The answer is alpha. Which has the highest penetrating power? Gamma. Which is most harmful? Gamma. Which is least harmful? Alpha. Which can travel over a long distance through air? The answer is alpha. Which can travel the shortest distance? Alpha. Which has the highest ionizing power? I mean, to ionize a gas and all, which contains the highest amount of charge? The answer is alpha. So alpha has the highest ionizing power. Which has the lowest ionizing power? Gamma. Very low, almost negligible. So these are the properties of alpha, beta, and gamma. And last class I had told you that how beta particle is emitted from the nucleus. That also I told you last time. Okay. Now today, okay, can you just tell me the answer of this question? Why a hydrogen atom cannot emit an alpha particle? Hydrogen nucleus or hydrogen atom cannot emit an alpha particle. Why? What can be the reason? Why a hydrogen atom cannot emit alpha particles? Can you guess? Or can you apply your mind? Why it cannot? Any one of you? Give the answer.
Because it does not have electron.
Huh? Hydrogen does not have electron.
Has lost electron.
Huh? Hydrogen does not have. Who told you that hydrogen does not have electron?
Hydrogen lost its electron.
What? Say again, say again. No harm, please don't hesitate. Don't feel afraid also. Please say no. Say.
Hydrogen lost its electron.
Hydrogen loses electron. When does it lose electron? An alpha particle is not electron. What it has to do with the electron? Nothing to do with the electron. Think differently. Think differently. The idea is very simple. Hydrogen's mass is 1 unit and helium mass is 4 units. Alpha particle is helium. How can a particle of lesser mass can emit the particle of greater mass? Can it emit? Since mass of alpha particle is more than the mass of the hydrogen nucleus, it cannot emit. That is for sure. You understand? Suppose I have this chalk of mass 10 gram. Can it emit a particle of mass 200 gram or 300 gram? Is it possible? Will it create a new mass? It can create, the particles will have a lesser mass than its original mass, no? The hydrogen mass is only 1 unit because hydrogen we write like this, 1H1. Only 1 unit, and here it is 4 units. The lesser mass particle cannot emit a particle of greater mass. It can emit a particle of lesser mass, that is own mass, but it cannot emit a particle of greater mass, as simple as that. So hydrogen cannot emit alpha particle. But of course, hydrogen can emit beta particle, and all beta particle is possible because mass is very less, electron mass. But alpha particle cannot be emitted. But other atoms can emit because their mass is more than the helium nucleus. They can emit, except hydrogen. Hydrogen cannot emit. Understood? Did you understand the point which I mentioned? Say fast.
Yes, sir.
You understood the logic?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now give the heading nuclear transmutation. Nuclear transmutation. Nuclear transmutation. Nuclear means, nucleus, pertaining to nucleus. Transmutation means, change in the composition of nucleus. Nucleus will change on emission of alpha, radioactive materials. On emitting radiations, their nucleus may change. And what change takes place, it is all about that. Okay, now suppose I write a nucleus A. I'm writing only nucleus, not the entire atom. This will have the number of protons and total number, mass number. So I write like this, suppose this is 20 and I'll be writing as 60. This is emitting an alpha particle, minus alpha particle, is giving out an alpha particle. Let's see what happens. And one more thing I'll tell you before this, alpha particle can be stopped by thin paper, or human skin will stop alpha particle. Alpha particle cannot pass through human body or cannot pass through the human skin. Thin paper also stops alpha particle. And gamma can pass through human skin, bones, flesh, everything it passes through. That's why it is dangerous, it is harmful, alpha. For radiotherapy means treatment of disease by means of radiation. For radiotherapy, alpha particle or alpha radiations cannot be used because it cannot penetrate through our body. It has got very low penetrating power. So for radiotherapy purpose, we cannot use alpha particle. Now I'm coming to this one now, nuclear transmission. A is 20 and 60.
Good morning,
Yeah, somebody wanted to say something? Yeah.
So we just
Tell.
joined.
Okay. So A is a nucleus with 20 and 60. Please watch the video. Okay, video is being sent now then and being recorded also. So please watch the video if you miss. So alpha particle, what is the meaning of alpha particle? Alpha particle actual meaning is helium mass. When it's 2 and 4. This is the nucleus. This is going out. The nucleus A will change into the nucleus B because composition changing. So nucleus format or nucleus form will change. 20 minus 2 you have to do. What is the value of 20 minus 2 coming? 18. 60, this is superscript, this is mass number, minus the mass number. 60 minus 4, answer will come 56. Plus the entire reaction, this is called nuclear reaction, we write like this. Plus this one we write it, 2, 4. This means alpha particle, this means alpha particle. This is the meaning of alpha particle. So we show this one. This change will take place in the composition of nucleus. That means atomic number decreases by 2, mass number decreases by 4. This one decreases by 4 and becomes 56. 20 minus 2, 18. 60 minus 4, 56. That would happen. When an atom or when a nucleus emits an alpha particle, atomic number decreases by 2, mass number decreases by 4. Have you understood? And the logic is this one. Alpha particle is helium nucleus. 2, 4 is going away from it. And for tell me, if I write another case X with 30 and 90 here, and alpha particle is emitted, can you tell me one alpha particle is emitted by X? What change will take place? X nucleus may change into Y nucleus. What should be I will be writing here in the atomic number and the mass number? What should I be writing? Tell me. What would I write?
Mass, I think.
Huh?
28.
How much value should I write? Tell.
15.
Atomic number
Here,
28.
huh? How much? This is 28.
Yes,
28 and
Mass
then out
number
here,
is
what should I write? Huh?
86.
86.
Yes, sir.
86. You are right. Because 30 minus 2, 28, 90 minus 4. This is 4 will go. So answer is coming 28 and 96. And the entire reaction we will be showing by this one. Entire nuclear reaction will show like this. Later on we can check what we have written is correct or incorrect. We can check. 28 plus 2 become 30. 86 plus 4 become 90. That's what we can check. In any nuclear reaction, atomic number and mass number both remains conserved. That means both remains constant. Atomic number of both the sides will be equal. Mass number also of both the sides will be equal. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, on another occasion, suppose this is P, this is given here 25 and this is given, say, 70 minus alpha. Tell me the answer. P is changing into Q nucleus. What is the answer now? Tell me fast. What answer do you expect?
66 and 23.
And 23.
How much?
66 and 23.
23 and
66 and 23. Yes, you're right. And the entire reaction, how will you show? This P nucleus is changing into Q nucleus. And the entire reaction we will show by this way, 2 and 4 here. Okay. But now for a change. Now I am writing here minus 2 alpha and X is changing into Y nucleus. Tell me the answer. What answer do you expect now? This is emitting 2 alpha particle. What change will occur? Tell me. What change will take place now? Huh? Say, boys. If you don't know, then you write here -2, alpha means helium, 2 and 4. 2 to the how much it is? 4. So 30 minus 4. What is answer coming? 26. 2 for the 8. Minus 8. 90 minus 8. What is answer?
82.
90 minus 8. 82. That is answer.
Yes, sir.
And the entire reaction will show this way plus 2 like this. 2 and 4. And we will check also what we have written is correct or incorrect. Check. 2 to the 4. These 2 multiply here. 2 for the 8. Sorry, 2 to the 4. 4 plus 26 gives 30. 2 for the 8. 8 plus 82 gives 90. So both the sides are equal. I mean atomic number, mass number, that means subscript and the superscript on both the sides are equal. That is how we can check also what we have done is correct or incorrect. Understood? Yes, Aloysius, your hand is raised. Anything? Aloysius?
Sir. So nothing.
Huh? Nothing, okay. Aloysius' hand is raised. So I thought something.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So have you understood? That means 1 alpha particle decreases its value by 2. The 2 alpha particle will decrease its value by 4. 3 alpha particle will decrease by 6. And 5 alpha particle will decrease by 8, 2, 5, like that. Like that we can just think and write on. And later also we can check whether what we have written is correct or incorrect. Okay. Yes. You were saying something, Nicanor, you did not submit your this one test. Huh? Is Nicanor there? Nicanor?
Yes, sir. I'm here. Yesterday, instead of
Yeah.
pressing the enter key for submitting, I pressed the escape key, and everything got deleted, and the time was also over. The deadline passed.
Oh, okay. But you saw your answers, and all the answers will be coming there. Once the test is over,
Yes,
you will
sir.
be able to see all
It's
the
showing
answers.
that I did not
Correct,
attend the
incorrect.
test at all.
Okay. Anyway, so from today onwards, be careful. Huh? But yesterday only was a practice. So today, do it perfectly. Okay.
So
Okay,
yesterday
Alright,
you
you
gave
can
So
also.
late
so
at
we'll
night.
have a test
I was
again
sleeping.
today.
Yesterday you gave test.
Yeah,
Yes,
yesterday it
today
was on a very
9
small
o'clock.
basis. 8 to 9, 8 to 9. Today again you will
So I
have.
was
Okay.
sleep. I was
Uh,
sleeping.
eh,
Anyway, today be
So
ready.
we were
Okay,
in
I'm just
hostel.
informing. And even I send the message in the group, link also in the group. Today also you will have. Okay. So
So
please.
send Mr. David, so then he will give us
Okay.
phone. So then he
Tell
will give us the
whom?
phone to do the test.
Whom should I tell?
Mr. David. Mr. David.
You inform no, that the sir is giving test. If you ask me, I'll tell you.
Yes, sir.
Huh? You all will first request sir. Okay. And then I will, if there is need, I'll talk to you. Okay. You first approach. So understood, boys, huh? Yes.
So will you be
Yeah,
there
yeah.
tomorrow?
Sir, how are you doing?
That about that I cannot say, my dear boys. Okay, I cannot say, my dear. So nuclear transmutation understood about alpha particle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Just think. Suppose I am having hydrogen. Hydrogen is 1, and it is emitting alpha particles. What would be the answer now? Can you tell me what answer will come? Helium will change into something else. Suppose helium is changing into maybe X, Y, anything. What answer will come now here and here? Tell me the answer. What answer would you expect? Alpha particle is -2, you do not, this will become -2 and this will become -3. Can atomic number, mass number ever be negative?
No, sir. I think.
No, that is why hydrogen nucleus cannot emit an alpha particle because mass of hydrogen is less to emit any alpha particle. Too less to emit any alpha particle because mass of alpha particle is more. Okay? Yes. Now suppose I will be writing one element magnesium, what periodic table chemistry, huh? This is 12 and this is 24 and it is emitting an alpha particle. Can you tell me the answer? What answer do you expect?
Yes, sir.
What answer would come? Magnesium 12, 24 is emitting an alpha particle. What answer will come now?
8 I think.
This one,
This
Dawn
one.
script, that is some script will come from this. You are
Then
thinking of
10.
doing -2 and -4.
Ma-
This will become 10, isn't it?
Yes, sir. 10.
Yes, I know.
And of
10 is
20.
the mass number of 10 is the atomic number of which nucleus? Can you tell me? Atomic number of which nucleus is 10 in periodic table? Yeah, I think you know it.
Hydrogen and helium. Then ethylene, beryllium, boron.
Neon.
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 Neon. So this magnesium will change into neon. What should I be writing as? 12 minus 2, 10, 24
And
minus
20.
4, 20.
20.
Yes. And the entire reaction we will show, and the entire reaction will show like this. Yes.
HE.
So if any particular element is given, we have to write a particular element name there. Okay. Using little bit knowledge of chemistry.
Yes, sir.
And if they give genuine tab, like, A, B, C, D, or X, Y, Z, and all, so we'll give the answer in that format. Okay. Say okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you,
Yes,
thank
sir.
you.
All done, sir.
Okay. Now next one. Suppose I'm having an element uranium 92 235 and it's giving out an alpha particle. It is U. U means uranium with the atomic number 92, mass number 235. What answer will come next?
90
Uh-huh.
and
How much?
231.
Yes.
231 and
And for your signing, yes, you're right. You got it. 90 is the atomic number of which nucleus? Do you know? 90 is the atomic number of which nucleus? Thorium. This equation you have to learn by heart. Okay. Uranium changes into thorium nucleus. Thorium atomic number is 90 and this is 231. Plus, here we write this one, 2 and 4. Copy this reaction. Copy this reaction. This reaction is there in the syllabus. Rest of the reaction is based on only on the general ideas.
just minus.
But this particular one we have to know by heart. So please copy. Uranium changes into thorium by emitting an alpha particle. Write it down.
So understood.
Okay, good. Now I am doing beta emission. Beta radiations will come out, and what happens? What change will occur? I'll show you that. Suppose I am having an element A with the atomic number 20 and out here is 40. Beta particle is out. Beta particle is given out now. What is the meaning of beta particle? Beta particle means one electron. One beta means one electron. Two beta means two electrons coming out. What answer will come now? Can you guess what is the answer?
Yes, sir.
Electron will be writing like this. -1 is 0. This is the meaning of electron. What answer? A nucleus will change into B nucleus.
40. So 40 and
It
90.
should not be 90. Let's see. Because minus and minus multiply. What is answer coming? This is emitted. A minus is happening from here. It's emitted. Means minus. Minus become what? Plus. Yes.
Plus.
Yes, sir.
20 plus 1. You have to write 21 here. 21. And 40 minus 0 will answer remain 40. only atomic number will change and it will increase by 1, whereas mass number remains the same. And the entire reaction will show that this plus this one, minus 1, 0. Later also you can check whether it is correct or incorrect. You can check. 21 minus 1 gives answer 20. 40 plus 0 gives answer 40. This is all correct. 21 plus minus is minus 1. So 21 minus 1 gives answer 20. This time atomic number changes only and it increases, not decreases. Remember, it increases by 1, whereas mass number remains the same. Yes. Boys, any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts you have?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Who is having doubts?
No one.
Okay. Sankalp, why your hand is raised?
Just
Okay,
like
suppose I write once X I write as 30 and I write as 60. Okay, beta particle emitted. Tell me your answer. What is answer?
60, 31.
Yes. Yes, you got it. Similarly, if I write minus 2 beta. Minus 2 beta is 5, right?
Plus
What is answer?
so 31. 30, 33.
32.
33.
32, no. 1 beta increases by 5. So 2 beta will increase by 2. Whereas this one remains the same.
Oh,
Am I
yes.
right?
Yeah, 2 into 1. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If it is say 5 beta,
So
what
it
is
will be
answer?
60.
This will remain 60 only, but what is the value coming here? What answer would come?
35.
35, and this remains the same. Very good. Good. You understood it well.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
thank you, boys.
Thank you, sir.
Now, suppose if I, yes, yes.
So class finished.
Why you want to finish the class? You want to finish the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm writing a particular one, sodium 1124 and beta particle emitted. Tell me the answer. What answer would you expect? What answer will come
24
out?
and 12.
24 and 24.
If this is going to become 12.
12.
And 12 is the atomic number of which nucleus? Do you know? It is the atomic number of which nucleus? 12. Periodic table.
2.
Arey Baba, you people don't know the periodic table. And you write your
Magnesium.
chemistry exams. Magnesium. Yes. Sodium will change into magnesium. This is 12. This is remaining same. Plus beta particle which like this we can write. Entire nuclear reaction. This is called nuclear reaction. In the nuclear reactions, atomic number and mass number remains constant. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Not the mass, but the mass number. Remember, not the atomic number. Atomic number and mass number only remains constant. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So this equation you have to know by heart. And now when a gamma radiation comes out, we don't say gamma particle because gamma is not a particle. Gamma is electromagnetic wave. If I
Gamma is
write
a
suppose A 20 and this is 60, gamma radiation is coming out. Gamma has got no charge, no mass, no change. It will remain same only 20, 60. It will remain the same. And plus will be like gamma. No change. Because this is 0, this is also 0. So no change, no mass. It doesn't have a mass, it is a kind of wave, electromagnetic wave like light, like X-rays. Name the radiation which is similar to the visible light. Which one is the radiation which is similar to the visible light? Answer is gamma. Name the radiation which is similar to the particles emitted in cathode ray tube. Cathode ray tube emits electron. Which one is behaving like electron here? Which radiation is electron here? Alpha, beta, gamma. Which one is electron?
Gamma.
Oh, electron.
Electrode beta.
Beta. You have seen a beta means one beta means one electron. Beta is like electron. Okay? Have you understood the nuclear transmutation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Very easy.
Very easy. Good.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose if I am writing like flows of P changing into Q, changing into R and changing into S. Or I will write minus alpha, minus beta, minus gamma with 20 and 40 here. Find the composition of the nucleus QRS. This value is question mark. Can you find out? Can you fill in the question mark? What answer should come?
So 36 and
First alpha particle.
36, 18.
Tell me.
36, 18. So 18 and 36.
Okay, 1836, I agree. Next one. Composition nucleus are
So
36, 19.
36, 19.
36, 19, I agree.
19.
I agree fully.
Same.
Yes.
And this
And
the
this
last
one?
one same. So 36,
36 and 19.
This remains the same. Very good. Good.
So understood.
Okay,
Easy.
Okay, you understood it well. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Time up now. So next day
Thank you,
now
boy.
little bit only left over. So I'll complete probably on Friday. Okay. The syllabus will be over by Friday. Don't miss the class.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Don't miss. Thank you.
Bye bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Good morning, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.